What is up, everybody? It is October, my favorite time of the month, of the year, I should say, of the month. Lots of festive, spooky Halloween things to do. I will keep you up on that. A lot of cool stuff happening, particularly this weekend. Not Scary Farm. I'm super excited to go there. Can't believe it's been this long. Got the fast pass going on, so that's going to be awesome. But for today, decided to meet a friend over at Frank & Sons. Anybody gone? Anybody been yet? Well, let's go check it out and see what all the hoopla is about.
And blew it directly into our
A plethora of collectibles. Wow.
God, how does this work? I thought it's yourself.
Was it Frank's Collectibles or is it Frank's Pops collection? Because that's what seems to be the majority of the stuff here. Still cool. Interesting concept of selling a car. That's one sweet ride. I'm surrounded by Pops and it scares me. It's not the spookiness I was looking for.
Alright, let's see. There's a peanut. He's pretty scary, isn't he? Gremlins. Hannibal Lecter. Who's scarier than Hannibal Lecter? Besides that alien right there. Really do grass.
Weedy boxes.
Se quedaron encerrados. Se quedaron encontrando los bancos.
Jim! There's no way. These are all reproduction. There's no way they're real. Oh, those are real. Like the super good.
The DeLorean for $800. It's time to get a real one, but it would be cool. Yo, Mr. White.
Look how awesome that Captain Phasma is. Like foam. So
Sweet Mikey
Not the one that my
statue.
mom
I'll be taking this bad boy home.
let's get some pizza, bros. Look at this guy. That guy's got problems. That guy has problems that we have yet to even understand.
American Horror Story, awesome.
Hey, there's that partisan patch.
Uh-oh. There's where I'm gonna go broke. the Halloween section, complete with the silver shamrock mask.
What? Silver shamrock? What's that? That's lots of orange things.
I didn't bother with it. Like, this is too much work.
I mean, this is kind of translucent. Yeah, it looks like a faded color. That one is really
I remember these. Hack into the codes and stuff. Like hack into the games and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. I'll let you take a video first. So many things from my childhood. Oh, what's this one? 25? What's this one? Another 25? This is pretty obvious. These are all the original ones. I know they remade.
Yeah, these are original. I got a couple of coolers there. Let me show you some of them.
Oh, the whiplash is?
Just that right there.
Oh, okay.
That one is it. But everything else is original.
Okay. Trying to decide.
buck crazy one. Well, I threw away my trump card.
Your trump card, what's that?
Cosmo.
Oh.
Maybe it was. If you're into the whole pictures.
Let's get Jason.
Attention customers, up the collection, we got Aaron Sparrow, the Whiter, Dark Queen Duck. Once again, autographed the loading dog. Yeah, Aaron Sparrow, the Whiter of Dark Queen Duck, autographed.
Ronald McDonald? Wow.
This fry guy is like super tripped out.
And what am I walking away with? Wheels up, nope, wheels down DeLorean to go with my wheels up DeLorean, and it will sit on a shelf and go nowhere. But Darkwing Duck, oh yeah, signed by Aaron Sparrow. Sweet, nice, gigantic book. Take me some time to read, that's for sure. Awesome, as awesome as a signed Finn Balor, Dean Ambrose. Yeah, definitely a lot cooler. So there it is, City of Industry, Franks & Sons, pretty cool. Obviously they got some money from me, so yeah, definitely worth checking out and coming down. Check for dates because they aren't open very often. See you guys.